pause this video and give this problem a try, and then when you have an answer, resume the video to check if you got the answer correct. In this problem, we're given the KSP for PbCl2, and then we're asked what is the lowest concentration of Cl- that would be needed to begin the precipitation of the PbCl2 in a solution that already contains 0.01 molar Pb nitrate. So to do this, the first thing we should do is just write this solution, the dissociation reaction. The PbCl2 will dissociate to form Pb2 plus and 2Cl-. Whenever you're given KSP, that's the very first thing that you should do. Just start with the solid and write how it would dissociate and break up into ions. And then we know that for a precipitation reaction to happen, the Q value the QSP has to be greater than the KSP. So to find the lowest concentration or the minimum amount of Cl- that would need to precipitate, we can set Q equal to K. So that's what we're doing here. We're going to set Q equal to K, and Q, just like K, is going to be the concentration of products divided by the concentration of reactants. So we have the concentration Pb times the concentration Cl- squared because of the coefficient 2. And then we're not going to have anything on the bottom because this is a solid, and you always ignore solids and liquids in the Q or K expression. Then we're going to set that equal to the KSP value, which is given right here, 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5. Our goal is to solve for the concentration of CO, so we're going to call that X. The concentration of Pb2 plus, that's just going to be 0.010 because the solution already contains some Pb2 plus. Then we just isolate our X. So to do that, we'll start by dividing both sides by 0.01, and then we would take the square root of both sides to get rid of the squared. And then our X comes out to be 4 times 10 to the negative 2, and X is your Cl- concentration, which means that your final answer here is E. If you're taking AP Chemistry and you just need that extra boost to get over the hump, or you need a lot of help catching up in the class, then you need to check out the resources at apchemistrytutor.com. There you'll find amazing resources, free study tips, and guides that will help you with the class. Check it out. I think you'll find it to be very helpful.